Sonny Maverick is a bit flabbergasted by the pronouncement from Reggae Boys coach Paul Hall that starting with these three redundant World Cup qualifiers, he, Coach Hall, is embarking on a long-term rebuilding process with the Reggae Boys. Hall said, quote, I have a succession plan. My job is the long-term development of this team, end quote. But my question is though, isn't Paul Hall supposed to be the interim coach engaged specifically for the remaining qualifiers? And now, with a record of 4 games played and 4 defeats, what Paul Hall know that we don't know? Remember before his first game in charge, JFF President Mike Ricketts said Hall was the front runner for the permanent job. And now we're hearing about long-term development plans. So what if Coach Hall goes on to lose all 6 World Cup qualifiers? He would still be the man? Why not evaluate after the interim assignments and then make a decision? Man, talk like him signed long-term contract already, as if he has a mandate from his new bosses. We need to know, Mr. Ricketts, Mr. Wind, is Paul Hall officially anointed? Sorry, is Paul Hall officially appointed? We want to know.